Greetings in the name of Ra and Newt. All that is good and great, all that is blessed and beautiful, all that is creative and conscious, and all that is positive and possible. May your blessings be infinite like the night stars, and all good things be never ending. Hotep, I'm Adisa Olabayo Bakole, and welcome to Tugboat Creative Publishing presents a series called Nature's Dance. This one's entitled Snow Blanket. Now, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Let's sit back and enjoy Nature's Dance, Snow Blanket.
Nature's Dance, Snow Blanket. Snow blanket on the asphalt ground, leaves die on trees not to be found. Cold winter nights, no bustle, no hustle, no sound.